And it will be a battle of the hills when Laiser Hill takes on defending secondary school basketball champions Upperhill. In the finals in hockey, it will be an All Saints final as St. Cecilia Misikhu battles St. Joseph Kitale. Robinson Okenye has more on this ongoing national secondary school games.
Athletics took center stage as the National Secondary School Games got into day 4 in Nairobi. In boys cross country, Ronex Kipruto reigned supreme as he crossed the tape in a time of 22 minutes 52.4 seconds to emerge this year's winner ahead of Justice Biwott. In the ladies' race, Selfin Cheptek was untouchable in a quest as she won the race in 19 minutes 39.7 seconds ahead of Ann Nyaguthi and Dolphin Omare.
Competition was very tough, but I put my effort. Yeah, the one at Russia kushinda leo.
I was planning to win, but reaction was very low.
In rugby, Kakamega High School qualified for the finals after getting a 5-0 win over Nairobi's Upperhill in a grueling semi-final encounter. In the other semi-final, Laiser Hill defeated St. Mary's Yala 34-16 to set up a date with Kakamega in the finals.
Upperhill were very good opponents. They were tough. They made us work, and we thank God for the win.
In boys basketball, defending champions Upperhill will face Laiser Hill in the final after edging Nyeri Baptist to a 67-37 win. Laiser Hill, on the other hand, defeated Kisumu boys. In the ladies' encounter, Kayatiwi will renew rivalry with St. Bridget's in the final. In hockey, it was heartbreaking for national champions Sinyolo as they lost to St. Cecilia Misikhu in the semi-finals on a shootout. Misikhu will face St. Joseph's Kitale in the final. In boys hockey, Upperhill will battle St. Anthony Kitale in the finals. With only 2 teams left in each category for the finals, all eyes will be out to see which team clinches the top title as the best school in the country. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sport.